We all know that safety always comes first, in this case, in riding your favorite motorbike. Aside from the basic helmet, a motor rider must have. And if you are not planning a ride like this, or this, just your regular ride going to office or ride with your homies in some tropical country like the Philippines, or a summer vacation trip, without having to suffer the comfort. By the end of watching this video, you will learn my 3 picks for motorcycle protective gears without having to compromise comfort. Welcome back to Almakeit channel. We search and share useful products and interesting companies' profile. Number 1. Breathable All Seasons Mesh Motorcycle Riding Shirt for Men with CE Certified Protective Padded Shields by Wicked Stock is a lightweight mesh armored motorcycle shirt that provides CE Certified Level 1 protection for all the strategic parts of the body, pre-installed with 2 shoulders, 2 elbows and 1 back protector. It is wearable all year round. Our soft and stretchy motorcycle sports shirt can be worn in any riding conditions. This riding shirt has a sporty jacket style and flexibility that fits the curves of the body for maximum comfort and protection. You can even wear it under a jacket. It is removable for easy laundering and storage and a non-shrink fabric. With its full-length front zipper, it is easy on and off. Easy to wash and dries quickly. Enjoy freedom, ride with protection. Number 2. Men's Motorcycle Riding Pants Denim Jeans with Protect Pads. It is a 14-ounce denim cloth, 97% cotton plus 3% spandex. This pair of pants has 2 extra pockets, so you don't have to worry about no place for storage. The whole trousers have up to 6 pockets. It comes with 2 removable knee pads and 2 removable hip protect pads. You can easily remove it, should you wish to use it as daily regular jeans. There are 3 parts with fold elastic design, which is not only beautiful, but also durable and more comfortable to wear. It comes in black, green, and blue color. This kind of windproof thermal insulation jeans can be used in motorcycles, off-road motorcycles, mountain bikes, bicycles, electric bicycles, snowmobiles, hockey and other competition occasions. Travel in cold weather, because the velvet inside of these trousers pants can provide wind insulation. Soft, breathable, super elastic, wear resistant, CE certified, motorcycle armored denim pants. And number 3. InBike Breathable Mesh Motorcycle Gloves. Touchscreen with TPR palm pad hard knuckles. This motorcycle gloves is made of the polyester, microfiber as well as the breathable hole on the fingers and palm. Also the cuff is stretchy, making the gloves fit your hands. With the TPR pad in the palm, it makes it more wear resistant, as well as the thickened microfiber patch on the palm and fingers. With the foam material in the joint, the gloves gives an effective shock absorption and reducing the impact of intense vibration. The index finger of the gloves is equipped with the microfiber material, which is with the screen touch function, allowing you to use your device without putting off your gloves. The cuff is with the hook and loop fastener, making it more easier to adjust the size to fit your hands. Also, the pull tab in the wrist lets you put your gloves off and on more conveniently. These motorcycle gloves are great for both men and women. Suitable for motorcycle, driving a Formula 1 car, road cycling, training, and so on. Please choose your size according to the size chart. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope you gained something from this video. If you like to request for some product presentation, please write in the comments below. For more info of the products, click the links in the description below. Happy riding! Bye.